have strong practical skills? Can you concentrate for long periods of time? Are you good at following set procedures? Would you like to monitor and work with technical equipment and machinery? If you've said yes to these questions, then the occupation of yarn production machine operator could be for you. Yarn production machine operators produce yarn. Yarn is made from fibers, which the machines spin by twisting, winding, and reeling the various fibers. The characteristics of spun yarn depend in part on the amount of twist given to the fibers during spinning. A single yarn is made from a strand of filament fibers twisted together. Ply yarns are made by twisting 2 or more single yarns. The thread is then knitted or woven into textiles. Examples of thread or yarn are cotton or wool used to make clothes or jerseys. The first stage of textile production is the fiber preparation stage. Fiber preparation production machine operators are responsible for setting up, loading, operating and monitoring the machinery and equipment that is used to prepare the fibers. The yarn production machine operator carries out the tasks required for yarn production. The machines are also called spinning machines. The operator prepares the machines for setup by choosing and fitting attachments for the type of yarn to be spun. They adjust machine controls to regulate parameters such as material flow and filament tension. They monitor machine operations, ensuring that the spinning operations run smoothly. The machine operator ensures that each machine has enough raw materials to complete the run. Operators continuously monitor the machines during this stage. They check the movement of the thread and repair any breaks in the yarn. By the end of this stage, the yarn is ready to be woven into textiles. These operators also perform routine maintenance of the machinery. They must be able to identify, report and repair malfunctions caused by damaged equipment. They must also have the ability to communicate to supervisors and machine mechanics to request repair and replacement parts. These days, textile plants are clean, well ventilated and have air filters to control airborne fibers and fumes, which are health hazards. As in any mechanized plant, workers need to be alert and careful when working around high-speed machines. Some machines are very noisy, and machine operators and workers working near them wear air protectors. There are no specific qualifications required for this occupation. Employers will have their own criteria. The employer provides on-the-job training as well as any specialized training for this position. Work-based learning is provided in areas such as health and safety, manufacturing techniques, the operation of machinery, as well as in quality standards for yarn and textile production. Progression may involve moving to a supervisory or training role. It could also involve a shift to a related area, such as maintenance, quality control or production management. Further education and training may be necessary.